Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, I am Jaleesa, the alien in the room. And for all my returning subscribers, welcome back my alien allies. It's nice to have you here. Okay. Today's video, I am going to be showing you one of my favorite new dishes that I learned during quarantine. This creamy Tuscan shrimp pasta recipe. I originally got it from a blog. I don't know the name of it. It'll be down below in the description box. It seems like a lot of you guys were interested in seeing the recipe on Instagram when I posted a picture of my creation. A lot of you were interested and it's very easy, so I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. It tastes so good. I am a Taurus, okay? You can trust my judgment in food. It tastes really good. I am an overindulgent person, so if I like something, you should be bound to like it too. Let's go ahead and get into the video. For this creamy Tuscan shrimp pasta, you are going to need shrimp. Obviously, it's not pictured here. You need sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, your favorite spices, especially Cajun seasoning and crushed red pepper, heavy cream, and I definitely recommend the Horizon heavy cream because for some reason I think that the Horizon heavy cream has a richer, creamier taste than other heavy creams that I've tried this recipe with, spinach, and linguine. Then we're going to start prepping our garlic and our sun-dried tomatoes. Right here you can just see me pressing the garlic in this garlic press. I just got this garlic press like maybe a month or so ago, and I never realized how much easier it is to cut up garlic with a garlic press. This is life-changing. Now, don't be like me and use all of this garlic. You really don't need all of this garlic. You probably only need 3 cloves, and I went overboard. And then for the crushed tomatoes, you're probably going to use like half the bottle depending on how big your bottle is. And it's better to actually dice your tomatoes because then you get more of the flavor releasing in the sauce faster than if you leave the tomatoes whole. And by the end, that's how much you will probably have. The garlic is way too much. Like I said before, not that much garlic. And this whole time the shrimp has been defrosting, so now I can go ahead and peel and clean the shrimp. We're gonna go ahead and fast forward through this part because you guys don't need to see me clean shrimp. In the meantime, I've also set a pot of salted water for our pasta. And then once the shrimp is cleaned, now we are going to season it. First, I'm starting with regular seasoning salt. Sprinkle that in. Cajun seasoning. Cajun is a game changer for this dish. Paprika. And the first time I didn't sprinkle enough paprika, so I went in and added more. And garlic powder. Mix it all up. Mix it in. And I added more paprika. Like I said, I wanted the shrimp to have like a red tint to it already. And then I'm adding more seasoning salt because I feel like I was a little light-handed with it. And now I'm showing you the heavy cream. You're going to need a cup of heavy cream, possibly more if you want to have more sauce than what I had at the ending. So I would definitely say maybe 1.25 cups, 1.5 cups. Our water is now boiling, so I'm adding pasta, breaking it in half and adding pasta to the pot. And then I scooped out a little bit of butter, not too much butter because I don't want everything to get greasy. And I have placed garlic in our pan. I should have waited until the butter got a little bit hotter, and I could have cooked this garlic a little longer too until it got brown. So, you know, take your time. Pour in the heavy cream to stop the garlic from cooking. Then I am pouring in our sun-dried tomatoes. I know it's a little bright right here, so it's hard to see, but I have turned down the lighting so that you can see a little bit more clearly. So you just really want to let this cook, continue to boil. The flavor from the sun-dried tomatoes are going to come out. And I add Cajun seasoning and red pepper flakes to this sauce. And you're gonna see me add those 2 seasonings over and over because I keep tasting. You gotta taste while you cook, you know? So here you can see that the sauce is starting to thicken a little bit. You can see how it's moving around in the pan. It's a thicker consistency. Look how it's sticking to my spatula, so you can see that it's getting thicker. Adding more Cajun because it needs more Cajun seasoning. Mix it all up. And as you go, keep testing the sauce. I decided to add oregano leaves just to give it a bolder, more earthy kind of taste. You know, you just be throwing seasonings in anyway, but throw in some oregano or basil. And at this point, the sun-dried tomatoes are really releasing their flavor into the sauce. So you should be tasting a little bit of the tanginess, like a little taste of the sun-dried tomatoes, but not too strong. And at that point is when I would add my spinach to the mix. You just want the spinach to kind of wilt in the sauce. And you can see like the sauce is moving kind of clumpy now. That's definitely how you can tell that the sauce is thick, because it's moving in clumps. So after I feel like the spinach is wilted enough, I will add my shrimp. I'm not sure why I didn't just pour the whole pot in. I don't know why I used my hands, but it doesn't matter. And then you just want to let your shrimp cook in the sauce. The shrimp is going to release water and a flavor into the sauce as well. So the sauce isn't going to be as clumpy anymore because it's going to have some more water added to it. And as you may know, shrimp usually does cook pretty fast, but in the sauce you might want to pay it a little bit more attention. Let it cook for a little longer. Flip it when the side looks like it's turning pink. You can see the sauce from this angle even better. It's definitely not as clumpy as it once was. Now it has more water to it. And we're just moving it around and letting it cook. Again, we don't want to overcook the shrimp, but we want to make sure that the shrimp is cooked. Bay and I are serving ourselves. Look how greedy he is. And then you gotta sprinkle parsley for dramatic effect, just to make the picture look good. And we are done. It looks so good. It looks so pretty, and it is so delicious. Like, if you've ever had sun-dried tomatoes, you know this dish is going to hit differently. Okay, so definitely try out this recipe for yourself. Let me know how you like it. And if you would like to see more food videos or recipes, me cooking like this one, go ahead and thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. I will talk to you guys in the next video.